Rajen Jani tutorial. Start. Talk about your favorite websites or apps.
I find myself gravitating towards websites that spark curiosity and fuel creativity. Wikipedia is a lifesaver when I need quick, reliable information, though I take it with a grain of salt, just in case. Duolingo has been a game changer for language learning. I am convinced their little green owl has a sixth sense for motivation. When it comes to unwinding, Spotify is my go-to, letting me tailor playlists to match every mood. Social media apps like Instagram keep me connected, though I prefer Reddit for more in-depth discussions. For productivity, Notion is a dream. It helps me stay on top of things without feeling overwhelmed. YouTube, of course, is a treasure trove. One moment I am watching a documentary, and the next I am learning how to make homemade pasta. And speaking of food, Zomato saves me when cooking feels like climbing Everest. Honestly, these platforms make life smoother and a little more fun, but they can be time sinks if I am not careful.
Rajen Jani tutorial. End.
Expand your vocabulary. All the words used in this English-speaking practice tutorial are listed as parts of speech like nouns, verbs, etc. This entire vocabulary list can be freely downloaded from the download link given in the description box of this video. Download this list now and learn the words and idioms to use with this topic. For more such English-speaking practice videos, don't forget to subscribe and like. Do also give your comment. Thank you.
Credits. Tutorial. Rajen Jani. Text. Microsoft Copilot. Images. Copilot Image Creator. Audio. Google Cloud Text-to-Speech. Parts of speech. Google Cloud Natural Language API. Python Code. Google Gemini AI. Video Editor. Kdenlive.